P0077 trouble code. Symptoms of P0077 code. Symptoms. The check engine light turns on to alert the driver of the P0077 trouble code related to intake valve control. The engine may lose power and responsiveness, leading to sluggish acceleration and overall reduced performance. The engine might idle unevenly or even stall due to improper intake valve control affecting combustion. Check engine light. Reduced engine performance. Rough idling or stalling. Fuel efficiency drops as the engine compensates for valve control issues, resulting in higher fuel usage. Increased fuel consumption. 01, 02, 03, 04. The vehicle may experience hesitation or difficulty accelerating smoothly, impacting drivability. Difficulty in acceleration. 05. Common causes of P0077. Causes. A malfunctioning solenoid can fail to regulate the intake valve timing, causing the P0077 trouble code to be triggered. Wiring that is frayed, broken, or corroded disrupts the electrical signals to the solenoid, leading to circuit errors. Faulty intake valve solenoid. Damaged or corroded wiring. Poor electrical connections. Loose or dirty connectors can cause intermittent or poor contact, affecting solenoid performance and causing error codes. Low or contaminated engine oil. Insufficient or dirty oil can impair the solenoid's mechanical operation and sensor readings, resulting in faults. Malfunctioning ECM. A faulty engine control module may fail to communicate or regulate the solenoid correctly, triggering the P0077 code. Diagnosis procedures. Diagnosis. Scan for codes. Inspect wiring. Test solenoid. Check engine oil. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve trouble codes from the vehicle's computer system to confirm the presence of the P0077 code. Visually check all related wiring and electrical connectors for signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could affect the solenoid circuit. Measure the resistance and voltage of the intake valve control solenoid to verify it operates within manufacturer specifications. Examine engine oil for proper viscosity and cleanliness, as low or contaminated oil can impair solenoid operation and trigger the code. OBD2 scan report. Code identification. Initial diagnostic data. Wiring condition report. Connector integrity check. Identification of damaged components. Resistance and voltage readings. Solenoid functional status. Test documentation. Oil quality assessment. Viscosity measurement. Oil replacement recommendation. Verify ECM. Ensure the engine control module communicates correctly with the intake valve control solenoid and is properly calibrated to manage its operation. ECM communication test. Calibration verification. System integration report. Solutions for P0077 code. Solutions. Replace intake valve solenoid. Repair wiring and connectors. Check and replace fuses. Inspect and replace engine oil. Remove and replace the faulty intake valve control solenoid to restore proper valve timing and engine function. Inspect all wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Repair or replace any compromised components to ensure reliable electrical flow. Inspect the fuse box for blown fuses related to the solenoid circuit and replace them to maintain circuit integrity. Check engine oil for contamination or improper viscosity. Replace oil to ensure smooth solenoid operation and prevent clogging. New intake valve control solenoid installed. Functional valve operation. Cleared related trouble codes. Repaired or replaced wiring and connectors. Restored electrical continuity. Improved solenoid response. Replaced blown fuses. Verified fuse circuit functionality. Prevented electrical failures. Clean engine oil with correct viscosity. Reduced solenoid wear. Improved overall engine health. ECM calibration. Ensure the engine control module is properly calibrated to communicate effectively with the intake valve control solenoid and manage engine timing. Updated ECM calibration. Optimized solenoid control. Enhanced engine performance. Key takeaways. Summary. Early diagnosis. Electrical and mechanical causes. Timely repairs. Professional tools. Proper maintenance. The P0077 code can arise from both electrical faults like wiring issues and mechanical problems such as a faulty solenoid. Regular engine oil changes and inspections help prevent the conditions that trigger the P0077 trouble code. Identifying the P0077 trouble code early prevents further engine damage and costly repairs, ensuring vehicle reliability. Addressing faults promptly restores engine performance, reduces fuel consumption, and improves drivability. Using OBD2 scanners and specialized diagnostic equipment ensures accurate fault detection and effective troubleshooting.